Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Ramzan.
Ramzan. Where are you from?
I am from India. Your name is Maratha?
Yeah, Martha.
Okay, great.
Which part of India are you from?
I'm from the northern part of India, that is Kashmir. Maybe you have heard about it.
hmm
Yes.
Is it near? I have a friend who's Punjabi, but I don't know how close that is to where you are, where you live.
So you are from?
No, I'm from the US, but my friend is Punjabi, but I know that's northern India too.
Yes, yes. Punjab is also near to us.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you a Sikh?
Sikh? No, no, not
Yeah.
Sikh.
Okay.
Muslim.
Okay.
Yes. What's your profession?
I'm trying to get a new job. I was a translator and I'm trying to be a content writer, which is like a writing job. What about you?
Okay. I am a software developer.
Okay. And
Yes.
do you have questions about Cambly or anything like that?
No, not like that. I am interested to, communicate with you so that I could understand your tone of voice. And I am also practicing in such a way that I could understand each and every person around the world. So different people. So trying to know about their culture and also discussing about my culture. So in that way, I try to, communicate.
Okay. I have to tell you, I only hear your Indian accent a little bit because a lot of Indians have very like obvious accents in English, and with you, I wouldn't have even necessarily known you're from India based on your how you're speaking. I mean,
So you mean that which type of accent I am having?
like a little bit Indian, but at first I would have thought you were from the Middle East or something. I don't know.
Yes, I am trying to improve my accent. I mean, my dream is to become to make it American accent. So accordingly,
Why?
I yes, water bottle. So in that way,
We say more things than just water and boil. Okay, yeah, you can try.
yes. Actually, the voice of T is little different in America, right?
Yeah. We don't really say it like a T, we say like a D a lot of times.
Yes, yes. So, can you please tell me about your culture? What is the best thing that you found in your locality which makes you more happy?
I like that my city is relatively affordable. Um, yeah, because right now in the US, housing is a really big problem. I don't really love where I'm from in a lot of ways, but that's one thing that I consistently like. Yeah.
Okay, so you mean that you are living in a cheap place, right?
Yeah. I mean, compared to other areas.
Okay, great. And other than that, for example, I am asking you a question. That is a simple question, which is like I'm interested to know about the things. Like if someone is asking you, yeah, that tell me about yourself. So what would be your reply? Being a
Um,
professional.
being a what?
Professional.
Well, I don't know what you want to know. I mean, about my work, about my personal life, in what
No, no,
sense?
no. For example, you are going for interview. You already told me that you are looking for a job. So
hmm
in the same way, if you are going for an interview, so how you will be introducing yourself?
I'd say, hello, my name is Martha. I worked as a translator. I'm transitioning to content writing, so I'm going to focus on design businesses.
And other than that, that's it.
For a job, that pretty much sums up my life in terms of the work that I've done. Yeah.
So, for example, if someone is asking me about this thing, so within 3 or 4 more sentence, we can finish this one.
I don't understand.
I'm talking about that if someone will be asking me the same question which I asked you,
hmm
so maybe there are the timing like within 60 seconds we have to explain our own selves. So I am talking about yourself that you will be finishing the things within 3 or 4 more sentences.
Well, I don't know what else to say. I mean, I could say, for example, to go into more detail, I used to do a lot of medical translations, or I worked for oil and gas companies and things like that. But, like I no longer do that. So I don't even it's not relevant to the work that I'm looking for. So I probably wouldn't say that in an interview.
Okay, so you mean that whatever would be suitable for that job, so that you will be representing there, right?
Right.
Okay, okay, great. So, yes, that's it. Just ask me quick questions so that I will give you a quick replies.
Okay, so tell me a little bit about your family.
My family is really happy, and they are living in a hometown. They don't have that type of fast life. So, yeah, that's good.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and 2 sisters.
And did you grow up on a farm?
No, foreign or foreign?
Farm, farm, like in the countryside.
No,
You said your family's from a village or something, didn't you?
I mean I am also living away from my hometown, which is about 20 miles.
Okay.
So forum means you are talking about any animals farm or what?
Yeah, like it doesn't have to be animals, but like sometimes people grow vegetables or something. I just mean mostly in the US, like either you live in a city or you live like
Yes,
on
yes,
a
yes.
farm or something. Yeah.
Yes, wherever. I mean, I am living in a place where there are a lot of things. Like people are also growing vegetables and different things. Right? Yes.
Um, do you like yoga? I have to ask you because you're from India. That's why I'm asking.
I don't have that much time to do yoga for now, but earlier I was doing because it created peace of mind.
Hmm.
Yes.
Do you have a favorite type?
Favorite?
Kind of yoga.
Just breathe in and breathe out. This is the simplest thing.
Oh.
Long breathing.
Because I think that the way that whatever in the U.S. and India, I know you don't have to talk about this because you don't even do yoga anymore. But I'm just saying that like I think that the way we practice it here is so much different than how it originally was and how people still do it in India.
Yes, yes, yes. So there are a lot of Indians who actually they're in US and other countries, so they are also teaching yoga.
Hmm.
Yes. So you
Yep.
are following who? Who you are following?
It changes. I watch a lot of different teachers. But yeah, I usually watch one video for a long time. Actually, it's the girl who I'm watching now is from Russia, but yeah, Marika
Okay.
or Marina.
You mean the
Huh?
teacher is from Russia?
Yeah,
Okay, and you do the thing online, right?
yeah. I've taken
Oh,
classes in person before, but it's been a long time since I've done that. So.
okay. So you went to Russia, or that
Oh
teacher can be.
no, YouTube. I mean, she's from Russia, but I see her on the computer. That's all I mean.
Okay, online, but it is not actually that type of. I mean, you will not enjoy that much if you are not having that type of environment. So I was there in a course which was about 3 years, from early morning to evening. So throughout the day we were doing the yoga. So in my surrounding there are a lot of people, like thousands of people. So there we can find out that what's the role of yoga.
I mean, I guess so, but I think that it's really impractical for most people to do that. And I also don't like being around a lot of people at one time. Like I prefer having it that it's just me doing it however I do. But
Yes, yes, of course. If you have that type of silence, then that's good.
but anyway, it looks like we ran out of time. So thank you so much for calling today.
Yes, thank you so much for your time. So we have discussed a lot of things today.
Hmm.
Yes.
Well, have a good night.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Bye.